the top 5 reasons why you should use spray-on bed liner versus no bed liner or versus the cargo mats.
There's numerous reasons to use the spray-on bed liner. Number one, I would say, is to prevent rust and corrosion on your bed. With the elements that are out there, the rain, the hail in Wyoming, all these things can beat up your truck. You want your truck to keep looking good. Bed liner will help protect that truck. It'll help cover up scratches and dings that you might already have. It'll help prevent more dings coming in to the bed when you throw in a load of rock or whatever you haul. It helps prevent the damage to your truck. So you got rust prevention, you got preventing from dings and scratches. You have easier cleanup when you have a bed liner, especially with our premium bed liner. It helps keep the bed a little bit cleaner, easier to wash out. Stuff doesn't stain because there's that extra top coat on there, which I did mention earlier with another element protection, the UV protecting. The premium bed liner also helps protect against UV fading on the bed liners. It improves the look of the truck. The trucks look great with a bed liner. You can take a truck that's even an old truck and fix it up to make it a whole lot better when you spray that bed liner on there. It makes the truck look brand new. I think I covered them all. I think we have rust and corrosion protection, protect against the elements from the weather, the water, the UV, the easy cleanup, reduces the load damage so you don't get dents and dings and scratches, and improves the look of the truck.
For more information about bed lining and TNT Customs, head over to our website at www.tntcustoms.com.